Vijay is enjoying so much. He's giving me an ick.
Okay, I'll chill, bro. I'll be like Joel.
Today we're gonna be learning sailing with Bijoy, director, a veteran.
1, 2, pull hard, and 3.
Cheers, bro. Go, Jaldi.
Do you have any idea of how you're gonna tackle it?
This is the first time. I usually don't get out often. I'm usually locked up in my house.
We will hoist the sail.
Everything good, sir?
But I'll be very honest, I've not felt this good in a while.
You're lying.
In the last 14 minutes, maybe.
On one hand, it's highly relaxing. It's highly relaxing, highly de-stressing. But at the same time, you have to be constantly alert.
Doesn't he look like Tim Cook?
You give, I'll shoot him a little bit.
I'm feeling so sick.
Oh, dolphin, dolphin. Shit.
Where? Can you slow the boat?